In previous class, we discussed the SN1 and SN2 mechanism. In this class, we discussed the chemical properties of haloxane. First one, substitution by hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group, you know what is hydroxyl group? The presence of OH group. Here, when haloxane or haloalkane react with potassium hydroxide, that is in aqueous state, or moist silver hydroxide Ag2O or AgOH plus H2O, that is our silver oxide moist, it gives us alcohol. For example, we take various example like methyl bromide. When react with KOH, heat gives us CH3OH plus Br. Here OH is attached with that alkyl group KX. Similarly, OH is react with CH3Br, and here KBr is eliminated as byproduct, that is our methanol, that is methyl bromide. If we take CH3 CH2 Br plus Ag2O, that is our aqueous medium, that is in moist, that means in presence of water it gives us alcohol plus Ag2Br. Here, if in case we take that is in alcoholic medium, the product may change, so we have to mention whether it is aqueous or it is alcohol. The next reaction is substitution by alkoxy group. Substitution by alkoxy group. What do you mean by alkoxy group? Alkoxy group is our RONA or K, that is our alkoxy group. Here the nucleophile is RO minus. So RO minus react to the haloalkane group. ROX plus RONA, that is our del minus, that is our del plus. When it attack to that is eliminated and gives us ROR plus NaX. What is this? That is our ether. CH3Br plus CH3ONa gives us CH3 plus NaBr, that is known as dimethyl ether, that is methyl bromide. So when haloalkane react with alkoxide, it gives us ether. So how do you get ether? The question is asked how we get ether from haloalkane. When haloalkane react with alkoxide, it gives ether. That is our first method. If we react haloalkane with dry silver oxide, RX plus Ag2O dry, It also gives ether. Take ethyl bromide CH3CH2Br plus Ag2O. Dry. It gives CH3. In this case we have to take 2 molecules of haloalkane CH3CH2O CH2CH3, that is diethyl ether. So in previous method we take moist. When we react haloalkane with moist silver oxide, it gives alcohol. Whether it reacts with haloalkane in case of dry, that gives us ether. In next reaction, substitution by cyanide. What is cyanide? We take various chemical group like SCN, hydrogen cyanide, KCN. So haloalkane is replaced by this group, that is our cyanide. So substitution by cyanide. Haloalkane when react with KCN, that is our negative, positive. RCN is react with R, X is eliminated. RCN plus Ks, that is alkyl cyanide. CH3Br plus KCN gives us methyl cyanide plus potassium bromide. Again, if we react this cyanide with various reagent, that gives us various product. How? Make a table like R, C, triple bond N. First of all, if we react with hydrogen peroxide, that is C triple bond N, that triple bond may break and gives us various product like in presence of SCN. If we take, that is concentrated HCl. If alkyl cyanide react with concentrated HCl in presence of H2O2, that gives us amide. What is amide? CONH2. This group is formed. So here how? That is C double bond O NH2. That means that gives us RCONH2, that is our amide. If here we take CH3 C triple bond N, that is our methyl cyanide. This bond is break and here double bond O is attached.